If you love a heartfelt romantic drama that explores the complexities of love, ambition, and sacrifice, Chemistry is a movie you shouldn't miss. Directed by Omorui Afosa Emmanuel and streaming on Uchi Montana TV on YouTube, the film delivers an engaging storyline supported by stellar performances from its talented cast, including Morris Sam, Uchi Montana, Chibuzo Ehikumeir, Courtney Ochunya John, Kofi Ajalolo, and others. The plot. Chemistry tells the story of Shola Ajay Cole, a young, wealthy political aspirant determined to secure a coveted political position. In his quest for support, he seeks the backing of Honorable, a powerful political leader. However, Honorable's help comes with a price. Shola must marry his daughter, Veronica, as compensation. Despite his lack of feelings for Veronica, Shola is pressured to comply for the sake of his political ambition. However, things take an unexpected turn when Shola meets Star, a stunning and confident gym instructor who captures his heart with her charm and flirtatious nature. While trying to suppress his growing feelings, Shola eventually gives in to love, beginning a passionate relationship with Star. This romance, however, puts his political ambition at risk, leaving Shola torn between following his heart or pursuing his dreams. The performances. The cast delivered compelling performances that brought the story to life. Morris Sam as Shola Ajay Cole. Morris Sam's performance was deeply layered, portraying a man navigating the fine line between his political ambition and his heart's desire. As Shola, he initially concealed his feelings for Star, trying to stay focused on his political aspirations. His transformation from a hard guy to someone openly vulnerable and in love was captivating. His ability to express Shola's internal struggles, through subtle expressions, body language, and emotional dialogues, made his character relatable. Morris brought authenticity to Shola's dilemmas, particularly in scenes where he wrestled with the Honorable's demands and his love for Star. His chemistry with Uchi Montana added even more depth to his character, showcasing a man torn but deeply in love. Uchi Montana as Star. Uchi's portrayal of Star was refreshing and memorable. As a gym instructor, Star was vibrant, confident, and alluring, qualities Uchi embodied effortlessly. Her playful yet genuine personality made her character stand out, and her determination to fight for their love added an emotional core to the story. Uchi balanced Star's flirtatious nature with moments of vulnerability, showing her as more than just Shola's romantic interest but as his support system. Her scenes with Morris Sam were electrifying, filled with palpable chemistry that drew viewer into their love story. Courtney Ochunya John as Veronica. Courtney nailed the role of Veronica, the Honorable's headstrong daughter. She convincingly portrayed a bossy and entitled woman who was willing to manipulate circumstances to get what she wanted. Her confrontations with Shola were some of the film's most dramatic moments. Courtney captured Veronica's desperation and ambition, making her a character you loved to dislike. Chibuzo Ehikumeir as Amir. Chibuzo brought lightheartedness and depth to the role of Amir, Shola's best friend and confidant. His playful teasing of Shola provided much-needed comic relief and helped highlight Shola's internal struggles. Amir's unwavering support for Shola and Star's relationship added warmth to the film, making him an audience favorite. Kofi Ajalolo as Honorable. Kofi delivered a commanding and authoritative performance as the Honorable. His character's cunning and manipulative nature came across convincingly, and his scenes with Morris Sam showcased a power dynamic that was both tense and engaging. What I liked. 1. The chemistry between Morris and Uchi. The romantic tension and eventual bond between Shola and Star were the heart of the movie. Their interactions felt natural and heartfelt, making their relationship both relatable and inspiring. The way they navigated their emotions, particularly during moments of vulnerability, created an electrifying dynamic that kept the audience invested. 2. The confrontations. Veronica's attempts to force Shola into a relationship added layers of tension to the story. Her persistence and boldness were well executed, making every confrontation with Shola intense and emotionally charged. 3. The cinematography. The film's visual storytelling was top-notch. Romantic scenes shot at night with dim, moody lighting added an intimate and sensual vibe to the story. The framing of Shola and Star's moments together felt cinematic, emphasizing their connection. 4. The performances. Every actor delivered a memorable performance, from Morris Sam's internal conflict to Uchi Montana's magnetic presence and Courtney Ochonia John's fiery confrontations. Each role felt purposeful and added value to the story. 5. The direction and pacing. Omorui Afosa Emmanuel's direction ensured a steady narrative flow, with each scene building on the last. The pacing allowed viewer to connect with the characters and their emotions without feeling rushed. 6. The locations. The choice of locations, such as the gym where Shola and Star met and the romantic settings of their private moments, added depth and visual appeal to the story. 7. The balance of love and ambition. The film skillfully explored Shola's conflict between his political ambition and his heart's desire, creating a relatable and thought-provoking narrative. Final thoughts. Chemistry is a must-watch for fans of romantic dramas with emotional depth and relatable themes. The film explores the challenges of balancing love and ambition, with standout performances and an engaging storyline. Streaming now on Uchi Montana TV on YouTube, Chemistry promises to leave you entertained and moved. Thank you.